Warning: your legs weaken first. Seniors must eat these 6 foods to strengthen them. Your legs are crucial. They keep you mobile, allow you to live independently, and enable you to enjoy everyday activities. But here's something many people don't realize. Your legs are often the first muscles to weaken as you age. Without timely intervention, this natural decline in leg strength can lead to serious consequences, such as falls, reduced mobility, and loss of independence. The good news? What you eat can make a massive difference. In this video, we're sharing the 6 powerhouse foods seniors should eat to strengthen their legs, keep their muscles healthy, and enjoy an active lifestyle well into their golden years. Stick with us as we break down why your legs weaken first, how nutrition supports strong muscles, and which 6 foods can supercharge your leg strength. As we age, our bodies go through changes that directly affect muscle and bone health. The most common issue is sarcopenia, which refers to the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. By your 30s, your body begins losing muscle gradually. This process accelerates after the age of 60. Why does this happen? Muscle atrophy. Aging reduces your body's ability to repair and rebuild muscles after activity. Reduced protein synthesis. The body becomes less efficient at using protein to maintain muscle mass. Declining bone density. Weak bones make it harder to support strong, capable legs. Inactivity. Many people move less as they age, which speeds up muscle decline. The result? Weaker leg muscles that lead to difficulty walking, climbing stairs, or performing daily tasks. While this might sound alarming, the bright side is that with the right foods and an active lifestyle, you can reverse or slow down this decline dramatically. Strong, capable leg muscles don't just come from exercise. What you eat plays a huge role in keeping your legs healthy as you get older. Here's why. Protein helps repair and build new muscle fibers, making it the cornerstone of any diet focusing on strength. Without enough protein, muscle breakdown can outpace muscle growth. Calcium and vitamin D support bone health, ensuring your legs remain strong enough to handle body weight and movement. Magnesium aids in muscle contraction and relaxation, while also reducing cramping during activity. Omega-3 fatty acids combat inflammation, supporting muscle repair and joint health over time. Antioxidants repair and protect muscle tissues from oxidative stress caused by aging or physical activity. So, where do you find these nutrients? That brings us straight to the 6 powerhouse foods every senior should incorporate into their diet. Eggs might already be a staple in your diet, but do you know the real power they pack for muscle health? They are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for repairing and rebuilding leg muscles. Additionally, eggs are rich in vitamin B12, a nutrient that supports energy production and nervous system health, both of which are crucial for maintaining mobility. They also contain vitamin D, which helps with calcium absorption, boosting bone strength. Practical tip: Start your day with scrambled eggs and a side of sautéed spinach for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for reducing inflammation in your muscles and joints. As we age, inflammation becomes a silent enemy that contributes to pain, stiffness, and muscle degeneration. Omega-3s help counter this, ensuring smoother movement and faster muscle repair. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are also loaded with vitamin D, an essential nutrient for bone density and muscle strength. Practical tip: incorporate fatty fish into your meals 2 to 3 times a week. Try baked salmon with a side of quinoa and steamed vegetables for a healthy dinner. Dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese are packed with calcium and protein, making them fantastic for both muscles and bones. Calcium is vital for bone density, while the protein in dairy helps muscles recover and stay strong. For seniors struggling with lactose intolerance, lactose-free milk or fortified plant-based alternatives like almond milk with added calcium are excellent options. Practical tip: snack on Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of chia seeds for a tasty, muscle-boosting treat, or start your morning with a glass of milk paired with whole grain toast. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses. They are particularly rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps with muscle contraction and relaxation, ensuring your legs stay cramp-free during movement. These greens also deliver antioxidants that fight inflammation and repair muscle damage caused by physical activity or natural wear and tear. Practical tip: try adding a handful of spinach or kale to your smoothies or sauté them as a side dish for your meals. Whether you get your protein from lean cuts of chicken, turkey, or plant-based options such as lentils, tofu, or beans, this nutrient is critical for leg muscle development. Protein is the building block of muscle, helping repair damage and encourage growth after physical activity. Another benefit: lean meats are rich in iron, which supports oxygen delivery to your leg muscles, ensuring they remain energized and functional. Practical tip: if you prefer plant-based options, a hearty lentil stew or a tofu stir-fry works perfectly. For meat lovers, consider grilled chicken breast or a turkey sandwich with whole grain bread as a high-protein option. Small but mighty, nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds pack a punch when it comes to leg health. They're loaded with healthy fats, magnesium, and protein, making them great for muscle repair and recovery. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of nuts and seeds help keep your joints healthy, which is vital for maintaining mobility as you age. Practical tip: keep a handful of almonds or walnuts as a quick snack, or sprinkle chia or flax seeds into your morning yogurt or oatmeal. It's one thing to know what to eat, but how do you make these foods a consistent part of your diet? Here are some simple and practical ideas. Breakfast boost: start your day with scrambled eggs, a glass of milk, and avocado toast topped with chia seeds. Snack smart: choose Greek yogurt sprinkled with nuts or grab a handful of almonds when you need a pick-me-up. Lunch ideas: opt for a salmon salad with leafy greens or include a side of steamed spinach in your meal. Dinner delights: bake a piece of fatty fish or enjoy grilled chicken alongside quinoa and sautéed vegetables. Smoothies: blend spinach, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and chia seeds into a nutrient-packed smoothie. For seniors with dietary restrictions, focus on plant-based alternatives like fortified almond or soy milk for calcium, or lentils and tofu as protein-rich substitutes. Of course, food is just one piece of the puzzle. Here are additional lifestyle adjustments to support strong legs and overall mobility. Stay hydrated. Muscles need water to function correctly. Dehydration can lead to cramping and stiffness. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Exercise regularly. Incorporate leg-strengthening exercises like walking, resistance training, or yoga to maintain muscle mass and prevent stiffness. Rest well. Recovery is crucial for maintaining muscle health. Make sure to get enough sleep and allow your legs to rest after physical activities. Combining these practices with a diet rich in the 6 foods we discussed creates the perfect recipe for lifelong leg strength and vitality. Let's recap. The decline in leg muscle strength is one of the first signs of aging, but it's not inevitable. By including eggs, fatty fish, dairy, leafy greens, lean protein, and nuts/seeds in your daily meals, you can maintain strong legs, support bone health, and promote mobility for years to come. It's never too early or too late to start nourishing your body with the right foods. Take action today by integrating these muscle-boosting ingredients into your diet.